Go. Hey, come here. And throw it on the grass. Yeah. So it's the 14th of May. And Aiden is feeding the chickens. Look, he's following you, look. Happy hands and cockerel. What you should have done is spread out a little bit, because they're not letting her get involved. He's a bit nervous. Oh no, she found some corn. That's one of the first chickens you held? Yeah. Aiden. Yeah. Oh, the other one's coming over, the wind up. Those Cochins are friendly. Those other ones, oh, she's friendly sometimes. Over there. Yeah. Oh, no more about the chickens. Yeah. Over there. Okay, now come out.